Good day, guys. Welcome to Plutomania Tech. My name is Davis, and I'm your guide in making money online. What I do is that I go out there and I look for ways to make money online, and I share it right here for you guys to try it. And all the ways I bring out are ways that have been tested, that are trusted, things I have done in the past, and I have used to make some money. So, just if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you don't miss any update that I bring. I post videos like this every single day of every week, so just subscribe and so you won't miss anything. So the last video I talked on, it was about Nairaworkers. This is a site where you get paid for just doing jobs every single day, and it's a site mainly for Nigerians. It works mainly for Nigeria. So I have another site here with me, and this site is called Picoworkers, and this site is far better than Nairaworkers because this site works for all countries in every freaking world, and they pay you in dollars. That's the best aspect of it. They pay you in dollars. So there's a link at the description of this video. Once you just go there, click on this link, it will take you directly here where you will sign up for this website. So once you just come onto this website, just put in your real name, your email, your password, country, and click on I agree and send me news and event offers via email. So let's just fill up this stuff real quick. Let me show you guys how this site operates. Let me just pause the video and do. Okay, guys. Once you just fill in your information, just put in your name, your email, and everything. Just click on sign up. Let's see what next. Okay, I think the nickname is already taken and the password is wrong. Let me just fix that real quick. Okay, I think I fixed it now. So don't mind my username over here. Let's just click on sign up real quick. Let's see whether it works. Okay. Okay, so they will send you a link to your email. You should just go to your email and you see it right up. Okay, so this is the email they sent to me. So let me just click on this link to activate my account. Yeah, just once. Okay, now there are certain rules they will tell you do not violate any rules. You can read through it when signing up. Just click on I agree, and this is how the website looks like. Okay, so practically what it does is this is my earning, my spendables, spending, and everything. So now in this website, you can either give jobs to people or you can get jobs, and there's always jobs. So now they say for you to, okay, let's look at this first job now. For you to download this research app and sign up, just for you to do that, they will pay you $0.25. That's a 25 cents. And how many people have done 22 out of 115? Now you can do as many as this thing takes just few hours. You can actually get up to $10 to $15 every single day if you do this. Like, just look for the ones with high number of rates, money they will pay you. I think this with 15 cents just to sign up and complete KYC. The more you do this, the more you earn more money. It's just simple. And most of these things, like, they don't take up to like 2 minutes. You're already done. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, Bitcoin Black sign up. Okay, I've talked about Bitcoin Black in my one of my previous videos. So if you have not watched that video, please go and watch it. Bitcoin Black is going to be something. So if you want to click on the offer, if you want to like get a job, just once you open the site and you see jobs like and you see something you like, let's say you want to do this Bitcoin Black sign up. So and they will pay you $0.8. What you just need to do, just click on this arrow here, this small little arrow here. Just click on it, and to give you a quick view, just go down and you see what is expected for workers. You go to Bitcoin Black, blah blah blah. You receive airdrop. You fill in your email and claim airdrop of $36, and that's one. Just verify that your email. And once I click on accept, what I just need to do is once I click on accept, what I need to do is I just need to go to this website real quick, this website over here, and click on the airdrop tab, sign up and everything, receive an email, confirm it, get my $36 airdrop for free. But this person that referred me also gets something, and that's why they are actually paying you. So you can actually make a lot of money from it. Like, you can be doing these jobs every, like, you don't do like, okay, let's say 10 jobs in an hour. You can make up to $10 to $15 depending on the job you're doing. So this is all about Pico workers. I'll be releasing a video soon about a special website on how to make a lot of, like, this is a new website that just came out in Nigeria, and it's actually gaining a lot of good reviews for people. So this is all about Picoworkers. I'll really tell everyone to sign up. This is things I just do in my spare time. When I'm just tired, I want to relax, I just use it to make little cash for airtime or sub or something. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. My name is Davis, and this is Plutomania Tech. Thank you all.